Would you like to learn how to add a nice video hero section to a website? I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So keep it locked. I'm going to be working on our website right here that I oversee. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding a nice video hero image. We're going to make it look like this with the hero image in the background of the video. Alright, so first step, what we want to do is we want to go to where we edit with the HTML. So I'm in my WordPress right now. Okay, so let me show you how to get there. I'm in my WordPress. Okay, and I'm going to be working on this page right here where it says homepage update draft. Okay, so I'm going to go to edit. And what I'll do is I'll be dropping the HTML in the description. So all you got to do is cut and paste this HTML and then follow the steps that I'm going to be showing you. So right here, here's my HTML for that section. Okay, that's my HTML. Let me just get something to drink real quick. Hold on one second. All right, cool. So what we're going to do is here's the HTML. Okay, so once again, you go to your WordPress and then whatever page you want to add the video hero section in, you click to edit that page. So I'm going to be going to this page right here, then you click edit. Okay, so we're going to be working in HTML. All right, so what I'm doing right here is if you don't know how to work in HTML, all you have to do is go where I'm at right now, and then you could just click the plus, the black plus, and click where it says custom HTML, and it will give you a box where you can input HTML. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that box because I just want to show you that. So here is the HTML that I have. So what I did is I took this HTML. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Select it all. Start over just for you. Okay. So here's the empty box, our custom HTML box. So first thing you want to do is the code of this HTML is going to be in the description. You want to paste that code right there in your HTML box. Okay. Then I'm going to click save. Then you want to go get your video. The video I have is right here. Okay. I saved it on my hard drive, or I saved it in my WordPress. So you can get any video from your hard drive that you made with your phone, however you want to do it. You upload it to your WordPress. Okay, you want to save it in your WordPress media section. I'll show you how to do that. So what you want to do is you want to go over, let me log into the website real quick. This is how it's going to look at the end. Okay, so we're going to go to our dashboard, and then you go to where it says media. Okay, and then see where it says add media. You could add any file you want. So if you see where it says add media, you click that, click select files, then you go to your hard drive and you can upload any video. Okay, now here's the video that we're going to be uploading. Okay, so what I did is I have that video, right? So then you go over here, you click copy URL to clipboard. So now you've got the URL of the video. Once it's uploaded to your WordPress, it's going to give it a URL that you need to put into the HTML. Okay, so you uploaded your video, right? Boom. You're going to go over here. Let me show you this. Once you upload your video, it's going to show up here. You click on it. Then you go over here where it says copy URL to clipboard. You click on that. Okay, so now we're going to go back to where we're editing the HTML. Okay, we're back there. Now you're going to scroll down and you want to find the line that says MP4. It says source src equals. Now what you want to do is you want to select that, because yours is going to be different than mine, but whatever URL you got when you copied your video, you're going to paste it in place of that. Okay, so I'm going to paste my video there, then I'm going to click save. Now if you want an image to show up on your website before your video starts playing, you can place that image here. So what I did is I just took a screenshot of the video. So let me show you how it looks. So when people are waiting for the video to load, it's not a blank screen, it's an actual screenshot of the video, and I'll show you that. So this is the screenshot that's going to play, or that's going to be uploaded until the video starts rolling. Once the video rolls, then this will be disappearing and the video will show up. Okay, that's very key, because you don't want just people waiting for your website to load. Your video takes forever and then they're like, there's nothing there. So you put an image that'll show up before your video starts playing. All right, so now the way you can do the same thing like you did with the video. You can upload an image, same thing like we did here. When you go to your media, okay, you upload an image. So here's the image that I uploaded. Okay, and then I copy URL to clipboard. Then we're going to go back to our HTML. And then if you want an image to show up, you're going to go right above the line you put the video, and we're going to go select that, and we're going to paste the image URL right there. Boom. And then you hit save. Okay, now what's going to happen is when we refresh this website, the video that we recorded is going to play as a background, which is fire, right? Okay, now if you want to change any of the wording, like I said, I'm going to give you this HTML. If you want to change any of the wording, like mine is going to say Victory Outreach San Francisco, but you can change your wording or your overlay to whatever you want. But you find this line here that says overlay content, and then you could type whatever you want. Here's mine is Victory Outreach San Francisco, so I'm just going to change it just so you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to type in Victory Outreach Church just to make it a little different. Okay, Victory Outreach Church, and then I put of, and then it's going to be a break. That BR means it's going to be a space, and then it's going to say San Francisco. And then underneath that, it's going to say a people you call family, a place you call home. Okay, so let's go ahead and click save, and let's see what we got right now. So I'm going to load up this page. We're going to view the page, and let's see how our, so there it is. There's our Victory Outreach Church of San Francisco. Notice how that image showed up while the video was loading, and there you go. Now you got you a nice hero video on the back of your website. So it could take your website to maybe having an image, you know, because this is our images right here, to your website having a nice little video playing in the background. Okay, so we just transformed our website to having images to our website having a nice video. And there you go. All right. That's fire, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this HTML right here. I'm going to paste it in the description. And that's the only thing you have to customize. So then it looks like this. Victory Outreach Church of San Francisco. You can put your own custom lettering. And then right underneath that, a people you call family, a place you call home. Once again, that is right here. You're going to go to overlay. You find that in your video. Overlay content. Victory Outreach Church of San Francisco. A people you call family, a place you call home. And once again, you want to change your video. You want to put your video URL here and your image URL there. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, family. I would love to assist where I can. Also, if this video has given you any value, don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe, however you want to do it. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.